What's up guys, my name is Quinn and I am 3 months on testosterone today. Okay, so yes, I am 3 months on testosterone today, specifically the Testogel kind, and I will hopefully be doing a video on how to apply Testogel, because it can be quite tricky at first, so hopefully I'll be doing that soon. Yeah, I've just got a list of basically all my changes and what I want to talk about 3 months on testosterone. Yeah. Okay, so the first comparison is probably most noticeably the voice, so we'll get into the voice comparison now.
My name is Quinn and this is my voice pretty. My name is Quinn and this is my voice 2 weeks on testosterone. My name is Quinn and this is my voice 1 month on testosterone. My name is Quinn and this is my voice 2 months on testosterone. My name is Quinn and this is my voice 3 months on testosterone. Okay, so the second quite big change is my facial hair. I'll put comparison pictures up now just to see for what it was like 3 months ago and what it's like now. I have been using minoxidil, but I don't use it every day. I use it maybe 3 times a week when I can remember, pretty much. But facial hair has been one of the big things for me, and I'll just be stroking it now and then just to see if it's real. And then leading on from facial hair is the body hair. In the last 3 months, actually in the last month, the body hair has been insane. I've got more hair on my thighs, on my legs. I think I've got hair on my ass, and definitely more hair on my stomach, on my chest, which I didn't even realise it before, but not having body hair made me dysphoric, and now that I have body hair, it makes me feel really good. I don't know why, but yeah. And I'm definitely gonna be one hairy guy when I'm like a year on T, but stay tuned for the year on T in 7 months. Okay, so this change is a bit of a weird one, and I think it's really subtle, but I think my earlobe shapes have changed. Okay, it does sound weird, but I used to have no lobes, but now I've got a tiny bit of a lobe, and I think that may be due to the T. Again, I'm not sure, I might be reaching too far, but it's a possible change. We'll see how the rest of the months go on. Okay, so the next changes are probably quite one of my favourites, really. Overall, I just feel more confident, like especially in speaking to people, speaking to new people, and just generally being myself like I should be able to be. But yeah, it's just made me overall more confident, which I really like. So, and the final change is the T-dick. I mean, it's got a little bigger. I think it's got way more sensitive. But overall, I haven't noticed much change down there. Okay, so it's pretty much all the noticeable changes for this month. Yeah, if you like this, comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what kind of videos you want. I'll hopefully do more art videos soon. I'll be doing the Testogel video, and of course more updates on my tea situation. So yeah, bye.